Okay, I'm here on location in Lakeland, Florida. I'm gonna set up a honeybee trap out on this tree. So, it's kind of preliminary view. I'm gonna get a closer view inside the tree when I set up the ladder and get suited up. Alright, I've got it set up, and I'll look for bees to pile out of that trap cone right now, but they're a little bit shy right now at first. They're wondering what the heck is on their entrance, but anyway, they're going to be piling out of that trap cone and move into my box, and I already put supplies in my hive to lure them in, frames of food and eggs and larvae and all that. So all right, off to a good start. I'll be back to check it in the next few days, of course. Hopefully no hurricanes roll through Florida anytime soon. All right, there's one coming out right now. Yep. There it goes. But you can see all of these bees attracted to my hive right now. So it looks like it's going to be a move over to my box with not much of a fight. But I need to come back in the next day or so and make sure they haven't found another way back in, like at the trap cone base or any other area of the tree that I haven't fully inspected, but I don't think so. This is a pretty thick tree. I don't foresee any other holes they could be getting in and out. It's pretty solid. All right. There's one coming out.